The purpose of this video is to show you how to properly connect your regulator to your CO2 cylinder. Get to know your regulator. This part is called the nut. The nut is attached to the nipple. There are two types of nipples. The regular nipple is only brass. The other has a permanent rubber O-ring. The only brass nipple always requires a washer. The most common are fiber washers. They typically are good for 1 or 2 uses. Nylon washers are much more dependable for a tight seal and good for multiple uses. Almost always the rubber O-ring nipple won't require a washer. Most valves have a near smooth surface which make a tight seal. A new style of CO2 valve has a large gap on the surface of the valve. The rubber O-ring will not seal properly and a washer is required in order to properly achieve a tight seal. First, place the washer inside of the nut, on the surface of the nipple. Second, take the regulator nut and nipple, with the washer inside, and line it up with the valve of the cylinder. Turn the nut clockwise, by hand until it is snugged up. The nut should turn easily at least 2 to 4 full turns. Be careful to not cross-thread the nut. Fourth, finish tightening the nut with a wrench. Snug it up firmly. Congratulations, you have properly connected your regulator to your tank.